September 11, well, it was hell in heaven. A hell of a day in the US of A. Terror hit the World Trade Center in New York City, and the Pentagon in the city of Washington. I saw it on TV. I thought that I was watching a movie, like it was World War III, in the land of brave and home of the free. Where was 007? September 11, and Superman when they called 911. Now they say war against terror, 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 fighting terror, terror, terror. Oh, what a horror! Terror, 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 fighting terror, terror, terror. Oh, what a horror! Terror, terror, terror. We must have a better tomorrow. Must have a better tomorrow now. September 11, another war in heaven, and all who were there said it was a living nightmare. Now for every action, there has to be a reaction. This is a law of nature, now and then and in the future. So when you're digging a ditch, I think you better dig two. One for the other man, and one for you. And when you're pointing a finger, well, 3 points back at you. Be sure your hands are clean. I think you know what I mean. 'Cause when you war against terror, 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 fighting terror, terror, terror. Oh, what a horror! Terror, terror, biological terror, terror, environmental terror, terror, terror. We must have a better tomorrow. Must have a better tomorrow now. 11th of September, the world will always remember the year 2001. A new era begun. This was a wake-up call to nations great and small. Terror been with you all the time, but you never paid it no mind. No, it's the